Hi, good morning. Today we are in Ubud and we're gonna have a coffee or maybe breakfast in the one very nice coffee shop. And this road, what we're gonna show you, that's normally is very huge traffic in Ubud, as it's like you have to stay like a half hour, but now it's completely, maybe not completely, but it's almost empty. What do you have for breakfast?
Hi. Well, actually, this is quite a big breakfast that I have, so I ordered.
That's the huge breakfast.
Yes. For me, no nasi, no eating. This is Balinese tummy. No nasi, no eating.
For me, more European one.
So now I have a deep fried duck with some spicy sambal here. So, bebek in the morning.
Bebek in the morning, that's the fried duck.
So good, so crunchy.
So, I'm very full after my breakfast. As you can see, the plate is empty. But Winnie, how is your duck?
So good. You wanna try?
Look at this.
So this one with the kemangi salad, this one of deep fried bebek, and then with the topping on the top, and this one, as you can see, with the sambal, two types of sambal, and this one with the lime. So now let's check how it is. Oh. So good. So yum.
And this is real Balinese food.
Yeah, this is Balinese.
Balinese, right? Yeah, so.
With them.
And don't forget, look at the view behind us. So nice. Only in Bali.
Oh my god.
And everything here, like my breakfast and the Winnie food, is for less than, or it's around $5 food only, so it's a very good deal. Here we go. How are you doing, buddy? How's your breakfast lunch, sayang?
Sorry? So good.
How was your breakfast lunch?
So good.
Yeah.
I had quite a big breakfast. I had deep fried duck, and I feel like, oh my god.
That was actually dish for lunch, not really for breakfast, but it's okay.
But we have a late breakfast though.
Yeah, that's true. It was after 11, so
Yeah.
for some people it's already lunch. Anyway, today is a very special day for us because at this time right now we're supposed to be
In Poland.
somewhere, no, not yet, but somewhere on the sky, going to Poland to see my mama and papa. But unfortunately, during the current situation, we have to cancel this to probably next year.
Yeah.
I hope so. At this time, everything will come back to normal and we can go. And yeah, today we're gonna show you guys how it looks Ubud area during the current situation. So as you can see, it's actually very quiet in Ubud. region. I mean monkey forest area. And it's temporarily closed, as you can see over here.
So this is monkey forest. It's closed.
Maybe we can spot some monkeys, but it's rainy, so I don't think so.
You see the sign, it's temporary.
Stars, everything is closed. So as you can see now, everything is closed, or almost closed. It's actually, you know, this area is very busy usually, but it's still very good vibe. And if something is open, like a few cafes or restaurants, like this one what we was just while ago, was quite busy. So hello, how are you? So we are walking on the Ubud center right now, and as you can see, it's very quiet. Almost everything is locked. Over here is the palace, the Ubud Palace, but it's also closed. As if you've ever been in Bali, you know, as this place is always very busy, especially as this time, you know. As you can see, it's really very quiet. If we are already here, we're gonna go to the Pura Sarasvati. It's always very famous place in Ubud center, and you will see how it is. Entrance to Starbucks. The Starbucks is open, but you cannot sit inside. And this is the entrance to Pura Sarasvati, but it's closed. You're not allowed to go inside. So we are now in the Pura Sarasvati. This is very famous place in Ubud, and it's the first time when I see this is completely empty, but yeah, unfortunately it's closed. And it's really beautiful place, you can see that. That's how it looks, Ubud center in middle of May. And it's actually already supposed to be starting the high season, so that means there should be a lot of people, right, Saya?
Yeah.
But well, the current situation is how it is, and we hope so everything will come back to normal as soon as possible, right? Behind us, as you can see, that was the patrol. You can see over there right now is the patrol of checking if people wearing masks and everything. So this is what you heard in the previous episode. This place behind us is the Ubud traditional market. It is totally closed and it's super empty. In normal days, when it's everything like usual, it's millions of people here and loads of stuff to buy. But now it looks little bit, just little bit sad.
Yeah. You can see over there. Also, that's the Ubud Palace. So
Yeah.
quiet.
So I can show the camera. And also small update about the road closure to Denpasar. On this traffic junction where we are now, it's supposed to be a big checkpoint, but as I can see, it's nothing here. But we passed one checkpoint, but it's too late to record this in the smaller road going to Ubud. So
okay, so thank you for watching us for today, guys. So if you like our video, please like, and then you can leave the comments, and then don't forget to subscribe us, and
see you next
see you
time.
next time.